catch up to them. Floor it.
You floor it. You're the driver.
No, you're the driver. You're the steering wheel. I'm doing the gas. It's all the way down. There we go. See? Less bumpy. And they have a dog. They're beating us with a dog. Whoa! Woo! Doing good. Here's the straightaway. We gotta beat the dog. Keep it straight. Don't hit those. There we go. Every time you bounce, it slows it down. Straight. Straight. The dog's beating us. Mr. Woofers, how are you doing it? Woo! Yeah! Alright, we gotta start slowing down. This is the finish line. We did it! There goes the dog.